Welcome. In today's video, we're going to go through how to integrate your BrightPearl platform with AdLister. First things first, log into your BrightPearl account that you wish connected with AdLister using your account ID, then click Login and enter your email address and password for the BrightPearl account and click Sign In. Once logged into your BrightPearl account, from the dashboard, head over to the top right side of the page and click on App Store. And on the following page, click on Private Apps, and then Add Private App. On this page, select Staff App, then enter the name of the app and the identifier, and click Install. Next, log into your AdLister store, and when the option is enabled to set up a connection with your BrightPearl platform, then navigate to the Platforms section and click on the Add Platform button. A new section will appear where you will have to click on the BrightPearl logo and give the BrightPearl platform a name. Once a name was given, a new page will load up where you will have to fill in the fields with the BrightPearl private app details that were created. And there are also instructions on how to integrate with BrightPearl on the left-hand side of the page as well. Copy in your BrightPearl account name and ID, and in the data center field, enter the domain name as seen on your BrightPearl backend's URL. Enter the app reference and copy over the token ID that was generated in the private apps page in BrightPearl. Once these are done, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will have to click Save, and the integration is set up and ready to use. Also, on a side note, if you have custom mappings on your BrightPearl store for your products that you would wish to have imported to AdLister, let our AdLister support staff know so that they can set up mappings to import these custom fields as well. Now, in order to import your products from BrightPearl into AdLister, head back to the Platforms page, and on the row where the BrightPearl logo is, there's a button for Import Inventory. Once clicked, on the following page, you will have the option of limiting the number of products you want imported. You can provide a list of SKUs that you'd want imported, and you can import products by their product titles if you have variations that you'd want to have under the same parent SKU. With the product title import, it will categorize the SKUs that match to be under the same parent SKU. And then, once you're ready, press Start, and a job will start running, importing the SKUs that were specified. Once the products are all imported, you can automate the stock updates between BrightPearl and AdLister. We fetch updates from BrightPearl every 15 minutes, and then process the stock updates on the platforms every 15 minutes, ensuring you don't oversell. Then, going forward, whenever products get updated on BrightPearl, make sure to import them using the methods shown, and once imported, revise the products on the platforms that they're listed on to have them updated on the sales marketplaces. I hope this video was helpful in explaining how to integrate BrightPearl with AdLister. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also, don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.